Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with power and control. Charge both the case and earbuds above 50% to avoid interruptions. Once charged, disable Bluetooth on your phone and quit the Sennheiser Smart Control app so settings won't block the reset. Now, open the charging case and keep both earbuds inside. Make sure they're seated and the lid stays open. Press and hold the touch sensors on both earbuds together for 10 seconds to trigger factory reset mode. You'll notice LED behavior change confirming the action. You hold steady and watch cues. Maintain continuous pressure on both touch sensors for 10 to 12 seconds while the earbuds sit in the open case. During this time, the earbuds LEDs will flash. The case LED will also change pattern to indicate the factory data wipe is underway. Once LEDs show the reset pattern, release the sensors and wait 5-10 seconds. If touch inputs don't respond, open the Smart Control app and select the firmware reset or reinstall option as an alternative execution method. You complete the process by closing the lid, reopening, and confirming the earbuds are discoverable for pairing. Delete any old Momentum True Wireless 3 entries on your device first, then pair afresh. If the reset did not take, symptoms include persistent pairing info or LED patterns. Update the firmware via Smart Control, fully discharge the case and earbuds, charge again to 50%, and repeat the reset steps. If none of this works, suspect hardware damage and reach out to Sennheiser support for warranty or repair options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.